Here's a really quick video of installing the new design legs on the Yaw 2. So on the rotational unit, if you had an old unit, it has these magnets at the bottom and you need to remove them. Rather than disassemble the whole unit, this is the method I used, which is using, I think, a 4mm Allen key, undoing these bolts, and there is pieces that will fall off inside the case, but they're relatively easy to get out. So once I'm on the second screw, I use an Allen key or something metal to grab the magnet. And then with a bit of careful maneuvering, this one was a bit trickier. So here's one of the metal shims, it's aluminium, so that one can't be grabbed with a magnet. And the magnet is inside a little 3D printed piece. And don't worry if you do lose it with the Allen key, because you can just fiddle around in and it will stick to it like that. And then there's a thicker aluminium piece, I think it is, that comes out when you lift up the case, as was shown by that arrow. So now I'm going to move up and undo one at the top, just to show that even if you don't have it at the bottom, it will still be relatively easy to get the pieces out. So again, using Allen key to remove a screw. This time I used a different Allen key to capture the magnetic piece first. But this time both of the shims will fall down and the magnet came out a lot easier. So when I lift up the rotation platform, just to shake it around, you'll see that two pieces came out, a thin shim and a thick shim. So what we want to make sure is that all 8 of these shims come out of the rotation platform. And now quickly assembling the new design legs, just showing one side for brevity. Very easy. Lift that piece up in the vents on the side, put in one leg, do up the 2 screws, put in the second part of the leg, and do up the remaining 2 screws. And give it a quick tug just to make sure it's all tight. That's it. Cheers.